Welcome to our Affiliate Marketing for Beginners video. Affiliate marketing is an exciting and lucrative way for beginners to dip their toes into the world of online entrepreneurship. Whether you're a budding blogger, a social media enthusiast, or someone with a passion for a particular niche, affiliate marketing offers a gateway to monetize your interests and earn commissions for promoting products or services. This guide will walk you through the basics of affiliate marketing and help you embark on your journey towards financial success. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. As an affiliate, you partner with a company or merchant and earn a percentage of the sales generated through your unique affiliate link. This link is crucial as it tracks the traffic and sales you bring to the merchant's site. Getting started. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. This will make it easier for you to create engaging content and connect with your audience. Choosing the right niche is a critical step in your affiliate marketing journey, as it determines the audience you'll target and the products or services you'll promote. Here's a brief guide on how to choose an affiliate marketing niche. Passion and interest. Start by identifying your passions and interests. Consider what topics you genuinely enjoy, as this will make it easier for you to create content and stay motivated in the long run. Research market demand. Look for niches with a balance of passion and market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and industry reports to identify trends and gauge the popularity of different niches. Competition analysis. Evaluate the competition in potential niches. While some competition is healthy, it's essential to choose a niche where you can differentiate yourself and provide unique value to your audience. Profitability. Consider the earning potential of your chosen niche. Some niches may have higher commission rates or more expensive products, making them more lucrative for affiliates. Research affiliate programs to understand the potential for earnings. Target audience. Define your target audience. Understanding who you want to reach will guide your content creation and help you tailor your affiliate promotions to meet the needs and preferences of your audience. Evergreen versus trending niches. Decide whether you want to focus on evergreen niches, topics that remain relevant over time, or trending niches, topics that are currently popular but may fade. Evergreen niches offer long-term sustainability, while trending niches can provide quick returns. Alignment with platform. Consider the platform you plan to use for your affiliate marketing efforts. Certain niches may perform better on specific platforms. For example, visual niches may be well-suited for Instagram or Pinterest, while informational niches may thrive on blogs or YouTube. Legal and ethical considerations. Ensure that your chosen niche complies with legal and ethical standards. Some niches may have stricter regulations or may be associated with sensitive topics. Familiarize yourself with any restrictions or guidelines related to your chosen niche. Evaluate affiliate programs. Before finalizing your niche, research the affiliate programs available within that niche. Look for programs with reputable merchants, competitive commissions, and reliable tracking systems. Flexibility and adaptability. Choose a niche that allows for flexibility and adaptation. The online landscape is ever-changing, so being able to pivot or adjust your approach based on trends and developments is essential. Ultimately, selecting the right niche involves a balance between your interests, market demand, and profitability. Take the time to research and reflect on your preferences and goals to make an informed decision that aligns with your vision for a successful affiliate marketing venture. Research affiliate programs. Look for reputable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Researching affiliate programs is a crucial step in building a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Affiliate programs allow individuals, affiliates, to earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. Here's a breakdown of how to research and identify reputable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Define your niche. Clearly define your niche or the industry you want to focus on. Your chosen niche should align with your interests, expertise, and the needs of your target audience. Identify potential affiliate programs. Look for companies within your niche that offer affiliate programs. You can use search engines, social media, or industry-specific forums to discover potential affiliate partners. Use affiliate networks. Consider using affiliate networks as they bring together merchants and affiliates. Some well-known affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program allows you to promote a wide range of products available on the platform and earn commissions on sales. ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network that connects affiliates with various merchants offering diverse products and services. ClickBank. ClickBank is a digital marketplace with a wide array of digital products, making it a popular choice for affiliates in the online space. Check for reputability. Investigate the reputation of the affiliate program or network. Look for reviews and testimonials from other affiliates. Consider factors such as payout reliability, affiliate support, and overall satisfaction. Evaluate commission structures. Understand the commission structures offered by different affiliate programs. Some programs offer a percentage of the sale, while others provide a fixed commission. Additionally, consider recurring commissions for subscription-based products. Review product quality. Ensure that the products or services you'll be promoting are of high quality and align with your audience's needs. Authenticity is crucial for building trust with your audience. Check cookie duration. Cookie duration refers to the time frame during which you can earn a commission on a referred customer's purchase. Longer cookie durations provide you with a better chance of earning commissions. Explore marketing resources. Assess the marketing resources provided by the affiliate program. This may include banners, product images, and promotional materials. Having access to these resources can make your promotional efforts more effective. Understand payment terms. Understand the payment terms, including the minimum payout threshold and payment frequency. Some programs pay monthly, while others have different schedules. Read terms and conditions. Thoroughly read and understand the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Pay attention to any restrictions, such as geographical limitations or rules regarding promotional methods. Look for affiliate support. Check if the affiliate program provides adequate support. This may include a dedicated affiliate manager, a knowledge base, or a support team that can assist you with any queries. Consider industry-specific programs. Some industries have specialized affiliate programs. Explore whether there are programs tailored to your specific niche, as they may offer better targeted products and higher commissions. By conducting thorough research and selecting reputable affiliate programs, you can build a solid foundation for a successful affiliate marketing venture. Always stay informed about the products you're promoting and continually assess the performance of your chosen affiliate programs to ensure they align with your goals. Build your platform. Establish a presence online through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Consistent and valuable content will attract and retain your audience. Creating quality content. Provide value. Focus on creating content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Build trust by offering genuine recommendations and reviews. Use various content formats. Diversify your content with blog posts, videos, podcasts, and social media updates. Different people prefer different formats, so cater to a broader audience. Incorporate affiliate links naturally. Integrate affiliate links seamlessly into your content. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships, as trust is crucial in affiliate marketing. Optimizing for success. Track and analyze performance. Use tracking tools provided by affiliate programs to monitor the performance of your links. Understand what works and refine your strategies accordingly. Optimize for conversions. Experiment with different calls to action and placements for your affiliate links. Test and analyze to discover the most effective strategies for converting your audience into customers. Stay compliant. Familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations surrounding affiliate marketing. Adhere to ethical practices and disclose your affiliate relationships clearly to your audience. Conclusion: affiliate marketing is a dynamic and rewarding venture that allows beginners to turn their passion into profit. By choosing a niche, building a strong online presence, and creating valuable content, you can attract an audience and monetize your efforts through affiliate partnerships. Stay committed, continually learn, and adapt your strategies to navigate the evolving landscape of affiliate marketing. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn your affiliate marketing journey into a sustainable source of income. Hey there, Affiliate Mastery Hub fam! If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to show some love. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video, and hit that free subscribe button to get notification when we upload new videos. And hey, to learn more or get free access to a free training course on becoming a super affiliate marketer, check out the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for being awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching and sharing our video on affiliate marketing for beginners.